everyone, my name is Laura, and in today's video I will be doing a Sephora Summer 2020 haul. I did go in-store shopping. I had to wear a mask. There were rules and regulations we had to follow. One of those were that we couldn't touch or try on any of the samples on display, so we had to ask one of the sales associates to help us. If we wanted to try something out, they would try it on themselves. So you couldn't actually put anything on your skin. Because of the pandemic, you don't want to put something on yourself that somebody already had used. So they're doing all of these safety protocols so that you can have a safety shopping experience. So if you're ready to see what I picked up in store, keep on watching. So first things first, I did pick up some skincare products because it's summer and I sometimes get a sunburn and my skin gets really dry afterwards. So I wanted to get something that will keep my face hydrated, glowy, moisturized, and free from being dry. First thing that I got was this oil-free energy boosting gel moisturizer by Origins. I got this so that I can wear before I leave my house. It is supposedly a morning booster, so you wear this in the morning. It says that it is a wake-up call for tired skin. This advanced lightweight oil-free moisturizer with energy boosting ginseng and coffee rapidly perks up dual lackluster complexion. So far I've been using this for about the past week and my face has been really glowy. This is what I'm wearing right now. It's kind of late at night. You're really supposed to wear this in the morning, but I really like how it makes my face feel and how it makes it look. Right now my face is glowing and that is the only thing I have on my face, so I am really happy about this buy. Also, this is my first time trying this product. I've always thought that expensive product and inexpensive products would do the same thing, but actually, like, when you buy something that's more expensive, you're getting quality. Am I really spending $30 or $40 on a moisturizer? So I was just like, you know what, Laura, stop being so cheap all the time. So I went for it and I am so happy because it is exactly what I wanted. All right, so let's stop raving about this product. The next product that I got was this Fresh Sugar on the Go lip kit. It brings these 3 products in mini size and it has a value of $30 and I got it for $25. It brings a sugar caramel hydrating lip balm, a sugar lip polish, and a sugar lip treatment advanced therapy. I did try all these products out before making this video because I didn't want to talk about something that I didn't like. This is the hydrating lip balm. Comes in this little thing. I feel like it has a lot of product actually. It has 0.07 ounces. It literally smells like sugar and caramel. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take a little bit of it. Swirly, swirly. Look how shiny it makes my lips. I love it. This is the lip polish. Again, it has 0.28 ounces, so it actually has more than the lip balm. Let me open it for you guys. This is how it looks like. It has little beads inside to exfoliate your lip. When I do a new skincare routine, I will definitely show you guys what I do to exfoliate and hydrate my lip. The next thing is the chapstick-like lip treatment. This is how it comes in. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the top off and I'm gonna show you guys all the product that it brings. I know I said the other one tasted like sugar and caramel. This one is actually minty. So when lip products have that minty type of feeling, that means that it's gonna help plump your lips. So I'm happy to have lip products because in the video that I filmed about my nighttime routine, I didn't do anything to my lips. So next video I make will have this included. So just so you guys know, stay tuned for that video. Why am I showing the next product? Since I already showed you guys a little pinch of it, I'm gonna show you guys. I got this dual glue. The one that I had was the tube and it was brand new, but for some reason the product, when I was squeezing it out, didn't want to come out. So it was probably dry in the mouth of the tube, if that makes sense. So instead of it coming out of the mouth, it came out from the other side of the tube and it made a mess of glue. So I had to get myself another glue and this one is brush on, so I won't have that problem again. I always like getting the white with clear because I feel like when I get black glue, it just makes a mess all over my eyelid, especially when you have an eye look and then you put black glue on your eyelids. It's gonna mess it up, so I prefer going with the white one. It has a brush applicator. Yeah, it actually does. Wow, this is such an upgrade from my last one. Look at Laura doing brand new modern things with her life. So the next thing I want to show you guys is this Tatcha Deep Cleanse. It brings 2 products, and I think I bought this with points. I have like a bunch of points lying around, and I actually wanted to try this brand out. This is my first time trying out this brand. I know a lot of YouTubers and famous makeup artists rave about this product, but this is my first time trying it because, girl, these products are so expensive that I'd rather like buy a cleanser and a hydrating moisturizer from another brand than to spend $50 on each one of these products. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the water cream. It is a pore perfecting Japanese wild rose for normal to oily skin, and it smells really good. That smells like roses. When I put these products on, I feel like I'm at a spa. Like, it gives me the whole Japanese zen type of feeling. It smells so good, and it makes my face feel so soft. It is lightweight, just like my other gel moisturizer. I just love the product, but am I gonna pay $54 for a water cream moisturizer? I'm gonna leave that for you guys to think about. Okay, so the next thing that came in the package is this deep cleanser. It says it is a clarifying Japanese luffa fruit extract for normal to oily skin. And I'm very happy that Sephora lets us collect points so we can try out samples of these things and we can see if these products are worth buying. They are worth buying, but I don't know if I want to spend $53 on this, on each of these things. I know it's gonna be a lot and it's probably gonna last me longer, but there are so many other good brands out there that I know will do the same thing and will cost you less. The next thing that I got was this Olaplex hair perfector. I got the number 3. It repairs and strengthens all hair types. I got this because I did dye my hair over the weekend and there was a lot of humidity. It was like in the 90s all weekend. I went to the pool, I went to the beach, and my hair was feeling kind of rough, and I was like, no, like I have to get this ASAP. And I'm so happy that I got this. It was on for like 10 minutes and I shampooed and conditioned my hair, and my hair felt softer than ever. I don't know if it was this, but all I know is that I was trying to braid my hair and I spent about like 20 minutes trying to braid my hair, and my hair did not get stuck or knotted that whole time. And I was just like, wow, was it really that? Like, is this bottle really worth the $28 that I paid for? I feel like it is worth it. My hair is like super soft because of this thing, and it is doing what it's supposed to. Let me tell you guys what it says in the back. It says use before shampooing, not a conditioner. It's a bond builder. Directions of use: use 1 time per week for damaged hair, 2 times per week. 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damp towel dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. Rinse from hair, shampoo and condition as well, which is what I did, but I did not leave it on for 10 minutes. I left it on for like 8 minutes and it still did the job. I wonder how soft my hair would be if I left it on for like more than 10 minutes, because my hair was super soft, and I just love buying products that work for me. Like, it makes me so happy. So if you guys have blonde bleached hair and you want to take care of it, you want to reduce breakage, I suggest you buy one of these. I also wanted to buy the shampoo and conditioner, but I have some pretty good shampoo and conditioners at home. This still did the job without me needing to buy the shampoo and conditioner. It saves you a little bit of money. Just buy the bond builder. So the last thing that I did get was my birthday gift. I got it 7 months later. My birthday is in January, but I made an order around February, late January, and I added my birthday gift to the cart, and they sent me a message saying that one of the products that I ordered was sold out. And I was like, oh, okay, so it was probably a sample. They do this all the time. They're just probably gonna put another sample in there, but they didn't. So they were still letting me know that I was eligible for my birthday gift, but they weren't letting me add it to my cart for some reason. So I went to the store and I asked the cashier if I can get my birthday gift because I never got it, and she was like, yeah, you can, and she gave it to me. And I was so happy because I've heard about the Bum Bum cream and the Coca Cabana cream. Oh my gosh, they smell like heaven. Like, oh my gosh, like, what is this? What is this smell? It smells like vanilla cookies. This one says that it is a fast absorbing body cream and helps visibly to tighten the appearance of skin. So I use this on my booty and my legs and around my stomach area. You would think that because it's called a Bum Bum cream that you can only put it in your butt, but you can work this in other areas of your body. This one, on the other hand, says it is an instant rush of hydration for visibly luscious skin and lasting moisture. So this one you can put all over your body as well, but I feel like this one you should use on certain areas where you feel like you need some tightening. I'm just gonna put some on right now because this just takes me to heaven and back. My sister got this as well for her birthday, and she told me it lasted, this little bit lasted her about 4 months. So if you were to get the bigger one that costs $20, it will probably last you like 6 to 8 months. If you guys didn't get your birthday gift yet and you don't know what to choose, I recommend getting the Rio de Janeiro, the Sol de Janeiro, Bum Bum, and Coco Cabana cream. All of these products are perfect for the summer. There's some things for your skin, there's some things for your hair. I've been going to the pool and the beach a lot. The Bond Builder is gonna help me with breakage and damage, and the products that I got for my skin, they're gonna help me stay hydrated and moisturized, and they're gonna help me against the UV rays from the sun. So that's a really good thing you guys should think about when you're buying products for the summer. I will be putting the link to all the products in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.